Water conservation. Problem and solution. Every drop counts. How many of you have seen pictures of a rural woman standing with an empty pitcher, or a queue with people standing to get their containers filled, or a queue of empty buckets to be filled? Getting enough water for the family is a big challenge for many parts of India as well as the world. Especially in the dried to semi-dried areas of India, water conservation is a mandatory norm that now every household follows. Why is it important to conserve water? Conservation of water resources is essential in India due to the following reasons. A. To safeguard ourselves from health hazards, as the quality of water is badly affected by the discharge of urban waste, industrial effluents, pesticides and fertilizers. B. To ensure food security to the people. C. Continuation of human activities and prevention of degradation of the environment. D. To control overexploitation and mismanagement of water resources, leading to depletion of water and ecological crisis affecting the life of millions of people. The problem. The excessive use of groundwater in our agricultural industries is leading to diminished yields and wasted water. Over 70% of our water is used to grow crops, and most of it is wasted due to leaky pipes and poor watering techniques. Also, the overarching problem of climate change is changing the way water evaporates and where it rains, pushing rainfall further south in both hemispheres. Global warming has altered the rainfall pattern in India dramatically. Previously, average monsoon rainfall spanned 45 days. This number has now decreased to 22 days, with each monsoon having a smaller intensity of rain. In urban areas, the construction of houses, footpaths and roads has left little exposed earth for water to soak in. In parts of the rural areas of India, flood water quickly flows to the rivers, which then dry up soon after the rains stop. If this water can be held back, it can seep into the ground and recharge the groundwater supply. The solution. Water conservation involves changing habits. The simplest habits involve turning off water whenever it's not being used. Run the dishwasher or washing machine only with a full load. Water lawns in the mornings or evenings when water will not evaporate as quickly. Make sure the water lands on vegetation and not on streets or sidewalks. If possible, save rainwater for watering lawns. And, most importantly, fix the leaks. Changing diet a little or consuming food that is less water intensive is another big step to take. Following are some of the major steps to answer the water conservation problem. Build awareness and educate people for a responsible consumption lifestyle. Invest in new water conservation technologies. Recycle and reuse wastewater. Appropriately price water. Improved water catchment and harvesting system. Involvement of the community, a community-based governance and partnership. Develop and enact better policies. Rainwater harvesting, a century-old way to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting has become a very popular method of conserving water, especially in urban areas. Rainwater harvesting essentially means collecting rainwater on the roofs of buildings and storing it underground for later use. Not only does this recharging arrest groundwater depletion, it also raises the declining water table and can help augment water supply. Rainwater harvesting and artificial recharging are becoming very important issues. It is essential to stop the decline in groundwater levels, arrest seawater ingress, that is, prevent seawater from moving landward, and conserve surface water runoff during the rainy season. Saving water from irrigation. In India's arid and semi-arid areas, the tank system is traditionally the backbone of agricultural production. Tanks are constructed either by bunding or by excavating the ground and collecting rainwater.